In this video, we're going to solve the integral of x times e to the negative 3x dx. So just by looking at this integral, we might want to try u substitution, but there's really only one thing we could choose for u, and that would be negative 3x, which has a derivative of negative 3, so that doesn't really help us. So let's try using integration by parts. Let's recall what integration by parts tells us. So integration by parts tells me that if I have the integral of u dv, that equals u times v minus the integral of v du. So I like to remember this as uv vdu. So in this case, we need to find what our u and what our dv are. So if I have here the integral of x, e to the negative 3x dx, I'm going to try letting u be x and then have the rest be dv. So I'm going to let u equal x, and then dv is going to be e to the negative 3x dx. So if u equals x, then I have that du equals dx. Now if dv equals e to the negative 3x dx, then what's v? The antiderivative of that. So I know that e to the x is its own derivative. So this is going to be e to the negative 3x over the derivative of the exponent, which is negative 3. Great. So now that we've set this up, we can write this integral as u, which is x times v, which is e to the negative 3x over 3, minus the integral of v, which is e to the negative 3x over negative 3, times du, which is just dx. Okay. Oops, I'm missing a minus sign here. So now I'm going to write this a bit nicer. So I'm going to write this as x e to the negative 3x over negative 3. And now I have a negative 3 here that can get factored out, and I have a minus sign here. So minus negative 1/3 would be plus 1/3. So I'm going to write this as plus 1/3 times the integral of e to negative 3x dx. Now we've already taken the antiderivative of this, right, when we went from dv to v, so we know what that is. So this is x e to the negative 3x over negative 3 plus 1/3 times e to the negative 3x over negative 3 plus c. So this becomes x e to the negative 3x over negative 3 minus 1 over 9 e to the negative 3x plus c. And so this is our final answer. If this video was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe.